Hey guys, have you ever heard about Stablepool? If you own XRP and are interested in making constant money on exchanges like 1inch, Uniswap and Co., then this website is perfect for you. After having to sign up to the site with your email, you can simply go to Top Up and select the currency and the amount of it that you want to deposit on the site. It will then show you the address. Simply transfer your XRP or any other currency to this address and mark I've paid. Now, you've got your money on the site. Now, go to Open Staking and enter as much of your crypto as you want. The site shows you how much of that amount you'll earn as interest within 12 hours, usually around 0.1-0.2%. That's 2% in a single week. Think about it long term. Within 1 year, you'll have made 2x without any risk. Also, the site is partnering with the Japanese crypto exchange TadoX.com, which offers a wide variety of different cryptocurrencies. You're still not convinced? Then you'll be surprised to hear that it has already gained a lot of institutional investors like Panther Capital, Fimbushi Capital, and Arrington XRP Capital, which helped the site receive more than $80.000.000 within the first week. And the best part, if you sign up until November 31st, you'll receive $50 in a random cryptocurrency for free. So, I don't know about you, but for me this sounds pretty convincing. How are banks able to utilize XRP? What statement did Bank of America make on XRP? Will XRP be the future of the world's largest banks? If you want to learn everything there is to know about it, then continue watching. See this video to learn more and avoid missing out on an incredible chance to win. At the end of this month, we'll be giving you 25 XRP tokens. Hello gentlemen, welcome back to XRP Hut, your one-stop shop for all things XRP and cryptocurrency. In today's video, we'll discuss XRP and what Bank of America has to say about it. Therefore, maintain your focus. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and enable post alerts by clicking the bell. Never miss an upload from us, and be sure to enter our giveaway. Now that the introduction has been removed, let's get started with today's topic. When Ripple was founded, its major objective was to give a superior alternative to something that could perform the same functions as SWIFT but at lower cost. When SWIFT was prohibitively expensive and transactions took 3 to 5 days, however, Ripple resolves. This is because it offers the cheapest and fastest transactions with a 3-second transaction time, up to 5 seconds, making it the quickest and least expensive currency for international transactions and other payment difficulties. Additionally, Barbara Raised Weiss of Bank of America recently remarked during a Zoom discussion that Ripple is a formidable competitor to Quick. It will eventually supersede the current system. Barbara responded to an inquiry regarding this by saying, according to the company, there are 56 real-time railways worldwide, making payment connectivity challenging. As a result, developing a fully interoperable payment system is a significant problem. It is researching the most effective methods of connecting these networks in order to shift money in real time. Additionally, there are other issues, as we are all aware. Time zones having their own currencies and banking infrastructure, such as fax processing. SWIFT is attempting to connect these real-time rails via SWIFT's instance, but there is a large amount of work required. Ripple is another SWIFT contender at the moment. The fundamental distinction between Ripple and other distributed ledger technologies is that Ripple. The difference between cryptocurrencies and other digital currencies is that, unlike other digital currencies, cryptocurrencies are not based on blockchain technology. Hey guys, have you ever heard about Stablepool? If you own XRP and are interested in making constant money on exchanges like 1inch, Uniswap and Co., then this website is perfect for you. It offers you the chance to deposit your cryptos, like XRP, to the site in order to add liquidity to those exchanges. After having to sign up to the site with your email, you can simply go to Top Up and select the currency and the amount of it that you want to deposit on the site. It will then show you the address. Simply transfer your XRP or any other currency to this address and mark I've paid. Now you've got your money on the site. Now, go to Open Staking and enter as much of your crypto as you want. The site shows you how much of that amount you'll earn as interest within 12 hours. Usually around 0.1-0.2%. That's 2% in a single week. Think about it long term. Within 1 year, you'll have made 2x without any risk. Also, the site is partnering with the Japanese crypto exchange TadoX.com, which offers a wide variety of different cryptocurrencies. You're still not convinced? then you'll be surprised to hear that it has already gained a lot of institutional investors like Panther Capital, Fibushi Capital, and Arrington XRP Capital, which helped the site receive more than $80.000.000 within the first week. And the best part, if you sign up until November 31st, you'll receive $50 in a random cryptocurrency for free. So, I don't know about you, but for me this sounds pretty convincing. Ripple's architecture is based on a distributed consensus ledger that utilizes a network of validating servers and the XRP cryptocurrency token. Another significant distinction is that Ripple is still privately held and operated, in contrast to the other cryptocurrency frameworks, which are more openly held and not controlled by a single person. Ripple solves associated financial difficulties with the use of RippleNet, a distributed ledger system, and its technology enables bidirectional messaging. In terms of payment, it facilitates genuine transactions, and we are all aware of the appropriate times and places to look, and the individual who is carrying out the transaction. Banks that use RippleNet can instantly exchange bilateral payment instructions with locals. Additionally, this system is competitive and the DLT is repositioning itself. The XRP community is repositioning itself. RippleNet has understood from the start that it is a significant competitor to SWIFT, and Bank of America has now confirmed this. As XRP enthusiasts are well aware, this is not the first time Bank of America has referenced the cryptocurrency. Ripple. Previously, alongside a website upgrade, Ripple's XRP validated its claim to be partnered with Bank of America, one of the country's largest banks. It now utilizes RippleNet technology, which includes XRP as well as hundreds of other financial institutions. Ripple is one of the world's largest blockchain companies. The business has validated a collaborative story that has been around for months with a website update, but it is still just a claim. Among its partners, the company now includes the Bank of America logo. Ripple has also partnered with large institutions such as Standard Chartered Bank to provide technology infrastructure. Additionally, this collaboration, it did not occur spontaneously during the company's last year's swell occurrence. Bank of America recently filed a patent application utilizing Xcurrent technology. Previously filed additionally, the bank informed Ripple that the details provided were insufficient to confirm a supposed partnership between Bank of America and Ripple. These two names have finally made their collaboration public. According to the material, they validated on Ripple Labs' website that Bank of America is a Ripple platform member by putting the bank's logo to the platform's website. Additionally, the Bank of America, he has been named a major RippleNet member. According to the business, the RippleNet is a global network of banks and financial institutions. While these institutions collaborate to standardize, they also gather and evolve RippleNet data. It also contributes to the development of a regional and global community where members may learn and share insights and best practices as their use of RippleNet expands and they develop new commercial partnerships with other members. Despite the fact that Ripple initially announced a relationship with Bank of America last year, 2016, information on how the banking giant is utilizing Ripple's payment technologies have not been disclosed, has been slowly leaking out. As a result, we now know that these major banks and financial institutions are collaborating with Ripple. But they are not disclosing this collaboration. They understand the value of Ripple and XRP and the payment company's future, even though it's a cryptocurrency. These banks have been quietly collaborating with Ripple, and now their officials have confirmed their support for Ripple over Ethereum. Not only are the traditional methods slow and expensive, but all of the leading banks conceal their involvement with Ripple and its technology, just as Bank of America has disclosed their backing for Ripple and as a means of displacing the conventional payment system. Additionally, the majority of banks are currently engaged in either direct or indirect banking activities. Along the Ripple network, around 400 banks collaborate with Ripple and make various uses of its technology. Options for payment. According to the Ripple website, RippleNet ushers in a new era of finance by making it easier than ever to run a high-performance payment business through the use of the most advanced blockchain technology for global payments. Additionally, institutions have the ability to enter new markets and even destroy competitors on a global scale. Pre-funding via RippleNet's on-demand liquidity service, which leverages the power of XRP. Altogether, let us now discuss our daily XRP price update. XRP/USD began trading near the 0.95000 cents level during the month of October. On October 10th, the market reached a high of around 1.23000. Indeed, this outcome could be. This creates anxiety among speculators seeking upside volatility. Ripple is not a part of the euphoric cryptocurrency community. Numerous of its significant competitors have had a good few weeks. The peak reached in October. This stayed significantly lower than September's peak of around 1.41000 in the month's first week. As November began, XRP grew in popularity. It is currently trading within a respectable trading range. While Ripple has not yet created a game-changing technology, while the results on speculative volatility indicate an aptitude for trading within, this would produce a well-defined price band and provide cautious traders with some much-needed peace of mind. Comparable to a slew of other significant digital assets, Ripple maintains its position as the seventh largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, with a value of more than $52 billion USD. XRP is currently trading at $1.25 with a 24-hour trading window as of the time this video was released. In terms of volume, $5,042,600,052. Ripple has not sparked a rapid upward trend and have been able to keep it for the last 2 months. While other major cryptocurrencies are experiencing difficulties, XRP/USD has maintained a very stable range on its 3-month charts at its highs. If current support near the 1.05000 level had weakened, trading would have dropped below 1.00000. This would be a bearish sign if it were maintained. Ripple does have a tendency to react in a reactive manner to big cryptocurrency markets. If the overall market becomes concerned and under pressure, a retest of the 90 cents level, which was breached in late September, is possible. That concludes today's discussion, gentlemen. How would you feel about XRP? Join the fray. Additionally, please share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Additionally, if you wish to avoid missing out on any fresh opportunities in the future, if you enjoy watching videos, make sure to click the subscribe button and toggle the notification settings beneath. Therefore, bookmark this video to be notified when we release a new video discussing the newest XRP and cryptocurrency news. You can watch our previous videos until the next one is released. Concerning XRP or alternative cryptocurrencies, we appreciate your time and interest in this video and hope to see you again in the future.